Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can allow or don't allow changes or access to Bluetooth sharing on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we then scroll down and in here, tap on Screen Time. Next, we scroll down and then tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Then go down to the Privacy section and tap on Bluetooth Sharing. At the top here, you can select between Allow Changes or Don't Allow Changes. Now, so that this allowing changes locks the settings shown below, new apps will be prevented from sharing data via Bluetooth when you are not using them. So one app at the moment has access to Bluetooth sharing. If you select Don't Allow Changes, then from now on, no changes can be made to Bluetooth sharing. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.